Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. Today in this video we will discuss exercise 3.1 question number 2, that is how many diagonals does each of the following have. First given is convex quadrilateral, and we studied in a quadrilateral there will be 4 sides, and also one equation we discussed in the last video, that is number of diagonals in a polygon. We will find, without drawing we can find out how many diagonals we can draw using this equation n into n minus 3 divided by 2, where n is the number of sides. Here this is a quadrilateral, convex quadrilateral. Therefore all the quadrilaterals having 4 sides, that is any 4-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. Therefore number of sides is 4. Now number of diagonals we have to find. So first we can write number of sides. Number of sides in a convex quadrilateral, that is equal to 4. So we can find the number of diagonals. So in the next step, number of diagonals, that is equal to, we can use this equation n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Here n equal to 4, therefore 4 into 4 minus 3 divided by 2. In the next step it becomes 4 multiplied by 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore 4 into 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. Therefore in a quadrilateral, convex quadrilateral, we can draw 2 diagonals. Now the next question is regular hexagon. Hexagon is the polygon with the 6 sides. So here number of sides becomes 6. For the second question, number of sides is 6. This is the answer of B. Number of sides 6. Therefore, number of diagonals we can find using the equation n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So here we can substitute the value of n in this equation, that is 6 into 6 minus 3 divided by 2. That becomes 6 multiplied by 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. That divided by 2, that is 6 into 3, 18. 18 divided by 2, that is equal to 9. Number of diagonals you can draw is 9. That is the answer of this question. So to solve this question, how to find the number of diagonals, first you study this equation, that is number of diagonals in a polygon is n into n minus 3 divided by 2, where n is the number of sides. By drawing the diagonals also you can find the answer, but this is an easy method. Now next question we will discuss, question number 3. What is the sum of the measures of angles of a convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? So first we will discuss the first case. What is the sum of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Here I have drawn a convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral means all the diagonals will come inside the quadrilateral and here it is 4 sided. Therefore, it is a convex quadrilateral. After drawing the quadrilateral ABCD, join BD. Join the diagonal BD. So you can see this quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles. First triangle here and second triangle here. Now we can find the sum of all angles. That is 4 angles of this quadrilateral is angle A, angle B, angle C and then angle D. So we can write angle A, sum of the angles. Sum of the angles of the quadrilateral. Sum of the angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD, that is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, and from the figure angle A represents angle 1. Therefore, this we can write angle 1 plus angle B is angle B we are getting by adding angle 5 plus 6. Angle 5 plus 6 together will get angle B. Therefore, instead of angle B we can write angle 5 plus angle 6. Now plus angle C. Angle C is angle 4. Therefore, plus angle 4. Now angle D. Angle D we are getting, angle D is this full angle, that is angle 2 plus angle 3. Therefore, here you can write angle 2 plus angle 3. Now you can see angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6. These are the 3 angles of a triangle. So we will write it together. Angle 2. First we will write, that is angle 1. Here already angle 1 is here. Angle 1 plus next angle, angle 2 plus angle 6. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6. First we have written. Then plus the remaining angles. That is angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. And here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6. That is the sum of 3 angles of a triangle. And by angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6, that is sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180. Therefore, this sum we can write it as 180. Then plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. These are the 3 angles of this triangle. Therefore, that sum is also 180. That is angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. That is by angle sum property, sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180. Therefore, when we add these two, you will get the answer 360. You will get answer 360. 360 degree. 180 plus 180, answer is 360. That is sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral. The sum of the 4 angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is always 360 degree. That is now we have proved for the convex quadrilateral. So I hope all of you understood this. That is, first we have to draw a 4-sided any quadrilateral and draw the diagonal, one diagonal. Then it becomes that quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles. And from here 180, and here also sum of the three angles 180, and when we are applying this here, the sum will be 360 degree. Now we can discuss the second part. Now we will discuss the second part. Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? The quadrilateral is not convex means it is a concave quadrilateral. So I have drawn a concave quadrilateral here, ABCD, and join BD. You have to, after drawing the concave quadrilateral, join BD. Again, this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. There is one triangle here and one triangle here. Two triangles we got. Now, in this case also, we have to check what will be the sum of four angles in a concave quadrilateral. Not convex means concave quadrilateral. So, again here we will take sum of angles of ABC. Sum of angles of quadrilateral ABC. Quadrilateral ABCD. We can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. That is equal to, from the figure, angle A represents angle 1, angle B is this full angle. Angle B means this full angle. Full angle is angle B. Therefore, it is divided here into two parts, angle 2 and angle 3. Therefore, we can write like this: angle 1 plus angle B is angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. Then angle C is angle 4. Angle 4 plus angle D. Angle D also sum of two angles, angle 5 plus angle 6. Therefore, angle 5 plus angle 6. Now, these three angles, that is angle 1, angle 2, angle 6 are the angles of the first triangle. So, we will write it together. So, this becomes angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 plus, now the next triangle, this second triangle, that is angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 4. From here we can write angle 3, angle 5, angle 6 together. Angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 4. This we rearrange. Actually these terms are written here, but we rearrange this. First we have written angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 here. Then angle 3 plus angle 4. Sorry, angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 4. Now this sum, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 are the three angles of a triangle. Therefore, sum is 180. And here also angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 4. This sum also 180 degree because this is a triangle. This forms a triangle. Therefore, that sum also 180 degree. Reason is angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Now 180 plus 180, that is 360 degree. 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. If again we got, if it is in the case not a convex, that means in the case of convex quadrilateral also, sum of all the four angles are 360 degree. Sum of four angles are 360 degree. So in the case of convex also, sum of four angles 360 degree. In case of concave also, sum of four angles are 360 degree. next problem. Now we will discuss the next question, question number 4. What can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with the different sides? That is, suppose it is given 7. That is, number of sides is given. We have to find sum of the angles of a convex polygon. So here one equation we have to study, that is sum of interior angles of any polygon with the side n. Sum of interior angles of any polygon with the side n is n minus 2 into 180. This is the equation to find sum of interior angles of any polygon is n minus 2 into 180. That is, if you know the number of sides, you can find sum of interior angles of the polygon. So here number of sides given is 7. In the first case, number of sides given is 7. So you can write the first answer. Number of sides. Number of sides is equal to 7. So sum of interior angles or sum of the angles. Sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles equal to, we can use that equation n minus 2 multiplied by 180. N minus 2 multiplied by 180. Here n equal to 7. Therefore 7 minus 2 multiplied by 180. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5 multiplied by 180. Now 180 multiplied by 5. That is 5 zeros are 0. 5 8s are 40. Remainder 4 is 900. Therefore sum of the angles is 900. 900 degree. Therefore sum of interior angles. Here the question is sum of, can you say about the angle sum? Angle sum, we have to find interior angles because sum of exterior angle is always 360 for any polygon. So here actually we have to find sum of interior angles and we got this as 900 degree. Now the second case, that is number of, first case I think all of you understood. That is sum of interior angles is 900. Then after that we can discuss second case, that is number of sides 10. So number of sides we can change it as 10. The same equation we are applying here, that is n minus 2 into 180. N minus 2 into 180. So here number of sides 10. Therefore 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180. That is 8 multiplied by 180. That is 180 we have to multiply with the 8. 180 multiplied by 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 6, that is 40. Therefore answer is 1440 degree. 1440 degree. That is the answer. That is sum of interior angle of a polygon with the number of sides 10. That is equal to 1440 degree. This also I think all of you understood. Now we will discuss question number 6. That is, find the angle measure in the given figure. That is, first figure given is this one. That is a four-sided figure. It is a quadrilateral. Any four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Therefore, a quadrilateral ABCD is given in the book. And here all the three angles are given, and we have to find the fourth angle, and it is marked as X. And just before this, we were discussing that is sum of four angles of any quadrilateral, that is 360 degree. Sum of four angles of any quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can apply this here. Here this is also a quadrilateral. So we can write sum of four angles. Sum of four angles of any quadrilateral. Any quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Sum of four angles of any quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, from the figure we can write angle A. From the figure, we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. That is equal to 360 degree, because these are the four angles of the quadrilateral. And angle A is given 130 degree. 130 degree plus angle B 120 degree plus angle C X plus angle D, that is 50 degree. 50 degree, that is equal to 360 degree. So we have to find X. First we will simplify the other terms, that is 130 plus 120. That becomes 250 plus this 50 degree we can write here 50 plus X. That is equal to 360. 360 degree. Now 250 plus 50, that is 300. Therefore 300 plus X equal to 360 degree. From here X we can find by taking 300. This 300 we can take to this side, right side. Since it is a positive number here, it becomes negative when we are taking on the right side of the equal to side. When we are taking 300 here, 300 is positive, and when we write on the right side, we are taking 300 to this side, then it becomes negative. So X we can write by 360 minus 300. That is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, measurement of X is 60 degree. This is the answer. Here we are applying a property, sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. I hope all of you understood up to here. See the video and write the classwork and practice regularly. And next part we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.